Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel Crystalline by Guneet. Today I'm going to share something very close to my heart. The must-have crystals for your home. And this is not just a theory. I personally have all these crystals in my home, and trust me, the difference in energy is magical. These crystals which I'm going to tell today are like for the beginners who want to keep some crystals in their house and want to start their crystal journey by keeping crystals in their house. These are the must-have crystals. So let's get started. Let's start right from the entrance of my house, the main door. Here I always keep a selenite, this beautiful selenite stick which I have, and I love it. And I keep a black tourmaline hanging because these two crystals really help me. Selenite keeps the energy pure and high vibrational, while black tourmaline acts like a shield, blocking any negativity from entering into my house. So before anyone even steps in, the energy is already protected. Moving to the living room, I again keep a selenite. I have a very beautiful selenite tower. This crystal really radiates peace and positive vibes, creating a calming aura in the entire home. It makes the space feel welcoming, not only for me, but also for my guests. Now, let's talk about the most important corner of my work table. Here I keep a combination of crystals, which is like I keep it in this bowl. I keep citrine for success and abundance, pyrite for attracting money and opportunities, and I have beautiful carnelian tumbles for motivation and energy boost. When I feel low, I'm working, I'm tired, I just take one carnelian in my hand and just do a little bit of meditation, calm myself, and I get the boost to work and to go through all day. I have turquoise for smooth communications. Like I have a lot of clients I need to talk to daily basis. Turquoise is my crystal. It helps me in my communication. And obviously I have green aventurine as well. It's not in the bowl as of now because it's a sphere which I keep. I'll show you in my next video. The green aventurine as a money magnet for prosperity, growth, for luck and abundance. Honestly, this setup gives me a powerful energy boost whenever I sit down to work. In my bedroom, the vibe has to be soothing and restful, so I keep an amethyst tree, which is a beautiful amethyst tree I have. Amethyst cluster. One of my favorites. This I have since almost like 7-8 years. It's like very close to my heart. Amethyst relaxes the mind and ensures a peaceful sleep. I have rose quartz as well. Rose quartz fills the room with love, harmony, emotions, healing. Together they make the perfect pair for a good night rest. And here is a little secret not many people know. If your washrooms are not according to Vastu or Feng Shui, certain crystals can actually balance the energy there too. Crystals like black tourmaline, clear quartz, and even a small selenite piece would work wonders. So these are the must-have crystals for your home, from protection from the entrance to the abundance at the work desk and beautiful and restful sleep in the bedroom. Each crystal has its own role to play. If you want to transform your home into a high vibe, positive sanctuary, start adding these crystals one by one. Trust me, the energy shift is incredible. If you want to buy original and good quality crystals, you can DM me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. Which crystals do you already have at your home? Comment below. I love to know. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crystal and manifestation tips. See you in the next video, and until then, keep shining, keep vibing high. Thank you.